Welcome to I Square Maths Academy, where numbers and variables actually need mastery. Now, before us is another question. Yes, this is NECO 2025. Yes, let me put it here. NECO 2025. Question number 59. Here we are asked to differentiate 3x minus 2 all raised to the power of 2 with respect to x. So here is an objective question, so we're going to be using the short method, the short method of doing this. So solution, yes, solution. So here we have y is equal to 3x minus 2 all raised to the power of 2. So in this case, the y all over the x, because here they say we should differentiate with respect to x. So the y all over the x will just be, you differentiate this, that is 2 in bracket 3x minus 2 all raised to the power of 1. Then you multiply it by the derivative of the function that is inside. And when you differentiate 3x minus 2, it gives you 3. So it means the y all over the x will be equal to 2 times 3 is 6. So we have 6 in bracket 3x minus 2. Now, because raised to the power of 1 here is the same thing as 3x minus 2. Yes, 3x minus 2 raised to the power of 1 is the same thing as 3x minus 2. So this is the solution. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Thank you.